Well, everyone, we jumped right into some sort of craziness. Where are they? Well, if they're in the bubble, they should get killed. I guess we're safe? Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Esper, and we're back here on Slime Rancher. Hello, one. Hello, one. All right. Oh, there's one over there. 3 now. Don't eat them. I guess he ate them. It's gone. So, but we were finishing up the pods here in the glass desert. We've been looking them up, and we know what we're looking for now because we only have 2 to find. We need to find the fiery glass sculpture and the cocoa teleporter. So let me look at my list here. Where is those 2? One was in a spot that I think we almost found last time, and then thought maybe, oh, well, maybe we've got this, and so we went on. But I was wrong, and we gotta find that now. Okay, let's see here. Not the drill, not the plorts. Fiery glass sculpture. That's the one we was having trouble with. Okay, because that was the one that's like up here and was being a pain to find. Okay, well, we shall try. Can we get somewhere high? That'd be awesome. It'd be nice if I could like sit on the rainbow. We're gonna do high, I think. Can I get up here? Ah, I got there. Good. Alright, of course got that one. Okay, charged. Some height here, keep it going. There we go. Okay, which way? Okay. Charge again. Can we get all the way to the top? Oh, not quite. This is the one. We're gonna fall, we're gonna fall. We got it. Okay. Where? We'll have to cut that way. Here. He's gonna be by like one of these things. It says. Like at the foot of one of those thing. But over here. Like it's pointing at literally like right here where my thing's pointing at. Like right in there. So it makes like, okay, so you see all these sculptures. This is like the area. Makes it look like it's like behind this rock almost. Right? Like right up in here, it looks like. So right here, it looks like I gotta go around the corner. Okay. Like, in trouble. If you go here, now we're out here, not around the corner. I'm trying to hide. It's like this rock right here is in the way. How do we get to the top of this? Is what I really want to know. I'm sliding. Okay. I feel like we should be able to get higher or something. I feel like it should be like right past that. I don't know how to get right past that. Probably just going in from the wrong side, honestly. I bet we gotta get through the other side. Oh gosh, the side looks scary. Well, if we fall through the water, it's not like we're gonna lose anything. We need to like track around. We've had a few like that. But I feel like that would put us too far away too. Does it want us like on this side? That's gonna put us like way far. Let's go the other way a little bit, maybe. Well, let's risk it. Let's see. It's not like we're gonna lose anything if we fall in, right? Just gotta take it gently. I'm gonna fall and lose everything. We're gonna fall. There it is! Crap. There it is. We found it. We found it. That is what we're looking for. Now, figure out how to get to it. I think the other side would be a better idea. Okay. Okay. We know what we're doing. We know what we're doing. You guys better behave yourself. Let's fill up our water real quick. They made us leave. That's something too. Yeah. Help them to help us by emptying them. The bad part is just the longer trek back. Well, we have things just disappearing left and right. Do we have any more? No! Wrong button. Okay, we have tank. Oh, let's install it. Look at that big boy. Look at you go. But we've only got drills now here. We got no pumps? Not. Okay, that's fine. Set up all the drills. Okay. But we have seen it, so we know where that's at. You can see now why it's being such a pain. It is on complete wrong side. We're running. We do not need you in your crazy ways. We need to go check on our stuff here soon, probably. I'm thinking like quantums and fire. I heard tinklinging, but it's probably these guys. Get some chickens in case I do run into something like that. Boyos. I think we're safe in the little oasis spot. I think. I could be wrong. Safe besides fire fuego, guys. You want fruit? Eat it! Do they disappear or just knock you out? That's interesting. Hoping. I really don't like waiting for fuego time. I honestly have quite a bit of health, so let's just run. We'll be okay. So many chickens. Come here, I shall save you! Our crazy maze. Did I get it? Where'd chicken go? Where'd chicken? Where'd the gold one go? I hit it with a chicken. I did hit it. I don't know if I got it. They kind of exploded around me when that happened. We got it. We're just kind of regaining some of our height back. We need up there, honestly. It's honestly not the easiest to get up there, though, from this way. Probably be easier. Can I not have the height on this tree? Okay, fine. Put me there. I got the baby one. I should have let it charge. I didn't let it charge enough. Okay. We are like going crazy way. It's not working. We need to go this way. Not taking the easies. Okay. We need to get on the other side anyway, so we're like this way, I think. Yeah. Fill up, fill up, fill up. I think it's gonna be like around that. Get full charge. Let's actually recharge right here. I think it's just around the corner, honestly. Aha! Go! Gosh. Okay. You are too hard to find, Pod. Fiery glass sculpture. Now we need the Cocoa teleporter. That one is up here. Like in the sand, like river thing. It's in one of those pillars. It shows like a tower. Right here. There we go. Okay. I threw the chicken. Uh-oh. Roostro, bye. I don't have room for you anyway. I heard a lot of tinkling, but it could be multiple things. It gives you 25 coins. Not worth it. Don't eat the roof chicken! Did I get it? I think I saved it. Beep beep. There's another rooster. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Is it on that? It is on that, like on the top of that. That's where it's at. Take a leap of faith. It's no, my chickens! I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit the button. It looks too tall from that side to get on, and then you make it because the other side. My poor baby chickens. Not the baby, but my painted hen chicken. Okay, we officially have all these found. Look at that. Woo! This place, everything's been found. Some of those were kind of hard. They were definitely difficult. And so we're gonna go back, get our place all set up, and maybe we'll decide where to go from there. But right now, yeah, we got everything found. Isn't that awesome? Completed this area. I really wanted to complete this area because I knew it had so many to find. Hoping there's a teleporter over here. I couldn't remember. Is there one over here? There's none over there. No. Is there a teleporter over here somewhere? Nah, you gotta go there. Okay. Oh, let's walk back then. But I am so happy. Whoa, they walled us in. Nothing here. But I'm so happy. That means we're a little closer to completing the areas. In this place. We've been in here a lot through our series. That is for sure. Been in here a lot. Oh, barely had enough juice. No, we missed it. Chicken heaven! And hens. Did you all see my video for Saturday's speed art? I made a hen. Isn't that so much fun? I thought it would be interesting. Thought it would be a fun thing to draw. It was a bit different. I'm like, I could do all these slimes, or I could do a hen. Why not? I actually liked how well the hen turned out. I'm ignoring the massacre music. But I very much was happy with how the hen turned out. I first was like skeptical. I'm like, oh, this guy looks derpy and awful. But then I liked it once he had his color in. He looked really good. I'm all confused. I'm coming up a weird way. Okay. Any more chickens over here before we leave? Some. Thank you! That was only 50 coins though. Oh, how many can we give him? Thank you. Oh, we did it 3 times. I've never done it like that. That's awesome. Wow, we got going on here. So many. Any more chickens? Any more chickens in the nests anywhere? All good? All good? Okay. We're just gonna go. Fuego time! Bye! Okay. So, we are going to take care of our areas now. What is go- Oh yeah, we need to water everything. Go! Okay. Let's take a couple emojis. Take a couple emoji. Maybe we'll exchange a few painted ones or something for different things. Deal out the elders. Yeah, we started another area now. There's so many babies in here. Hello. There, take those babies. How are we doing? We got elders for me? No? Got lots of little babies in here. Yeah. You got a lot of roosters in here. We need roosters down here, any? How are we? Cool. Purchase. We need high wall? Yeah, let's do high wall, spring grass. Okay. That's what we usually do. Okay, get a couple in there. I need to take some back. I need to take something back. So. Rooster. Okay, let's see here. I gotta take a few to my group. Nope, not the chickadee. You keep the chickadee. Okay. Gotta take some to our ones needing food. Oh my goodness, what's going on here? Who's supposed to be in... Who's in charge of collecting plorts? You're doing some fruits. Are you in charge of collecting plorts? You're just in charge... Yeah, you're in charge of collecting my plorts. What's going on? My money's all over the floor. You guys look very happy. Please don't start sucking up before... Oh, it started sucking up. Okay, it's good. Okay. Is this our seller? Yeah. Take it. Give me my money. Cha-ching! Thank Mochi. 2, 3, 4, right at the end. Thank you, Mochi. Oh, there he goes. I'm helping you out, dude. You take care of the Fuego ones, though. Probably take a few dervish back to her. I have a feeling, I can't remember if our machine needed some or not. Okay, let's take these couple. Did I give you some? Yeah, you're charged. You're good. Okay. There's probably gonna be quantums everywhere. Quantums. Are you behaving over here? What is this? There's lemons like shooting out all over the place. Oh wait, what am I doing? I can't do that. Here, take these. You have lemons galore out here. Glad they're happy. I guess we're keeping up with them a lot better since we chucked out some. There's definitely way too many. Thank you, Mochi. 1. Oh, 2, 3. Okay, Mochi, I put a lot of work into you. You've got to do those cha-chings. I'm gonna take some of these down there. I really need to just move all my chickens at some point. Okay, we're gonna look into rearranging these, I think. Okay, I'm gonna load you guys up with some. Because we're getting a lot of spots. I don't think we need this for that specifically. Okay. Guys, I'm here. How are we doing? We need more chickens in here. You have any elders that for me to take? Ew. I'm thinking let me start. I want plenty of cages though too is the problem. I'm trying to decide how to go about this. You guys are so cranky. Probably can't. Can I stand on this? There we go. Feast! Ah, they're exploding everywhere. We make such a mess when we do that. Now we got some happy smiles. Okay, these are ones I really do want to put in the machine, I think. Okay. Do these. You can sell the hunters. You sell the hunters. Are you working? Okay, sell the hunter ones. I'm gonna take the tabbies and the boom ones. Okay, where are we at? Got plenty of those pinks. We could use more pinks. Honeys, definitely. Yeah. Royal jellies. That makes me think we should probably go check our apiaries. Do we want to make anything? Do we need Mr. Pump? Fabricate one of you. Apiary. Regular. Okay, let's go check our areas. Does this take me? Right here. Okay. Okay, bye. I don't think I had any in that area. Those over there. Oh, I had some just out in the main area over here, didn't I? In the, like, beginning area. Oh, here's a couple hens I grabbed for you. I love you guys. Okay. You grab the honeys. We want those for our machine, too. Okay, now. Trying to think. We need another selling thing. Or, I want another one that away more. I don't have to walk all the way back over here. So one of the not selling things, not the market, the where's it? The refinery is what I'm wanting one of. We have one royal jelly, so it's just perfect. I want a refinery this way. I want them like all over the place, these different things, so I don't have to worry as much. We still need to check that way. These spots actually wouldn't be too bad. Put them out here. Saw you there. I'll be fine. And then I dropped these off while I was over there. Take those. We need more honeys. Okay. I have everything, all those. But yeah, there's only, that's my ranch though, not the... Police stone and slime fossil. Not much in that area, huh? Out here. Okay, yeah, we have them all out this way. Maybe we'll work on like the mossy... Is it moss blanket area? Maybe we'll work on that next for treasure pots. We have to go see what we need though. Okay, let's go take care of these guys and then we'll go check out the moss area. Dun, 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 dun. We also still need to do that place. We have more chickens over here. These are for the guys that's out here that I'm not doing well about taking care of and feeding. Maybe, what? Whoa! What are you partying here for? So what I think, maybe I should have them start putting the chickens in the corral and I can distribute them better. But I'm thinking that might be a good idea. Let me see, meat, outside plots, put them in the corral, please. Is what I think I want you to do. Meat, outside plots, into the corrals. Plorks, market link. Yeah. So I want you guys doing. Sounds good. Why do I have a tabby in my... Get in there, tabby. Okay. Because you don't distribute them evenly enough. You guys are just hungry in here. Hey guys, there's a bunch of chickens. Eat those. How's my puddles going? You guys are doing good, it looks like. Let's see, you got... Okay, that's good. Got those, sound good. Oka's... Oh, the carrots in there. Good, good. Okay, I think they're doing good. And this place should take us to the moss blanket area. Are we still in the... Yeah, we're still located. Dry reef's done. We're good there. Hello, goodbye. Run! Okay. Trying to look at, there's a present down there. I don't see any present. There's a present. Well, it's not a present. Well, it's not. It doesn't have the ribbon. Okay. We're getting good money. I need to check what our next one needs. Whoop. Whoa, good chicken. Okay. What do we got? Oh, we only are missing 2 in here. And so honestly, we'd probably go down the list first and see what we're missing before we just go running around. Have our stuff here. That's a good. That's really good to know. Royal jelly, we need that for sure. want that one. Is there only 3? Yeah, there's 3. Out of all that, 1 royal jelly. Okay. Well, that's good to know. Got a teleporter over here. That'll take us back closer. Oop. Okay. Not much closer. A little closer. Okay. See what our list says. Okay, what are we missing? Let's see here. Oh, bad button. Okay, let me find my list for the moss. Moss, blanket, treasure pods. Treasure pods. We want thinking blanket. Okay, so in the moss blanket, mossy tree. Hiding decorations then. Mossy tree. Wildflower patch. Wildflower patch. I wish these were in like alphabetical order. Wild honey and royal jelly. So that's one I can't tell you if we got it or not because I don't remember if we. We'll mark it down, and if we have 2 others that we know we don't have, then we'll. But we may have that one, I don't know. It looks fairly obvious of a spot. Amber slime lamp. Yes, we have that one. Mossy tree stump. Mossy tree. I have a feeling that one probably would have been by the mossy tree. Okay, I don't see that one. So we're gonna mark that one. It's on a feral path, it says. Okay, let's see here. Mossy. I mean, I'll double check. It's not like there. Not a warp item. Shouldn't be a utility item. Let's see. I'm gonna guess it'll go right by the other mossy. Yeah, we don't have that. Okay. That's on a feral path. Interesting. Hexacomb on another feral path. So that's one I don't know either. Since it's an item and not... Well, like, since it's an ingredient and not item. Blue pods. Wild and royal honey. I don't know about that one either. Another main path one. Glow cones. Do we have glow cones? Glow sticks? Glow cones, yes. Amber warp. Amber warp depot. Warp depot. Dandy fashion pod. That is our bonicles. Or more wild honey. There's the smart fashion pod. Got that jumbo shroom. That looks kind of cool, actually. We'll have to start making some of these. Decorate. Jumbo shroom. I like that jumbo shroom. The glasses. Shady. Got it. Amber teleporter. Red warp depot. Oh, there's no red. Interesting. That's probably what we're missing then. I don't think we've bought it already. Let's double check over here. Did we need to buy a red? Oh, well, we know what we're missing. It's the red warp depot. And they're both on the feral path, it says. Interesting. Okay, so mossy tree stump. See? Interesting. So, over here, we are looking at right in here. And then we're looking at warp. Red warp. We're looking at over here. Over there. So it's in this barrel area. Ew! Excuse me. Okay, I wonder if we can find those real fast before we gotta call it a day. That would be interesting. Where are we? Not where I meant to be. Wrong warp. I always use the wrong one. Was this... Where'd this one go? Somewhere really far. Okay, go back. Okay. Our warp was this one. Zoom, zoom, zoom. This one. Yes. Okay. That puts us not too far. Not too bad. Honestly. I'm gonna backtrack just a hair. Okay, let's see here. I decide the best route. Okay, yeah, that's right. We don't want to go all the way back to where it'll give us the quantums area. We want to go up here, the tree stump. Go past the other feral area. Blech. I love how they make such beautiful areas. I can't wait for the second game. The second game's gonna be awesome. Okay, we're looking... I'm so excited to try the next game. It'll be so much fun. I wonder how beautiful it will be. Okay, we got a little ways to go. We still gotta get up there. So, it'd be best to go this way. Go through the top. Kinda helps with some of the baddies around. I'll eat some of them. Of course, we don't get all the chickens, though. No chickens, unfortunately. Okay, feral area. Oh my goodness, how did we end up over here? Well, I guess we're looking for the other pod now. Let me get back down to where that location is. And warp depot. Because literally we're like right here. It's over here. It's over on this path. Uh-oh, not enough juice. And we overshot it. It's probably underneath us. Then. I doubt it's up there. There it is. It's in the corner. Yay! Okay. Can we get there from here very easily? Yeah, we probably can. We'll just keep going. We're almost done with this area too. Hello, chickens. What? Come back here. Quit multiplying on me. Over this way is where we found one of the treasure areas. Ah. Notice my thing was only halfway charged. Okay. I need my mossy tree stump. Okay. The base of like this red. It's probably pretty long mountains, I bet. Yeah, there's our treasure area. Hello, feral ones. You guys are kind of cute, but I like the rooster. Ah! Come here. Oh, I didn't catch that edge, so. Uh-oh. We're getting there. Looks like it's like up by tree roots. Ah! Oh, overshot it. It's back there. Where at? Tree. There's so many trees. Okay. Pretty close. Pretty close. I wonder if it's this one. Aha! I see it. Get a little charge first. And we'll have the mossy blanket done. The moss blanket, not mossy blanket. The moss blanket is finished! Mossy tree stump! Alright, see, now we got this area all done. Yay! We still have several areas to go. We got Indigo Quarry area. We've already done there. We got all this place to do. And it's actually got a list for, like, mochi and stuff like that. So we'll get to go through everywhere. You see, Ranch, Dry Reef, Moss Blanket, Indigo Quarry, Nimble Valley, Ogun's Retreat, The Wilds, Slimulation, Ancient Ruin Transition, Ancient Ruins, Glass Desert, Slime Sea. We'll have to see what all those are. So, but I think we're gonna end it here. We did very well. Come here, chickens. Come with me if you wish to live for a bit. Oh, there's more chickens. Okay. And I hope you've all been enjoying the series. We're getting so far in this series. We have so much done. We still have quite a bit to do, but hopefully we can start working on wrapping this up eventually here, just because we have been at it for almost a year now, and we want to get it wrapped up. Maybe do a smaller series in between this and before the next Slime Rancher comes out in next year. And so I hope you've all been enjoying this. I have, for sure. It will be so bittersweet when it does come to an end, but it will be wonderful. I think we've explored this game so well. But I hope you've enjoyed this series, and if you have, please leave a like, tell your friends about it, and I will see you all next week in an episode of Slime Rancher. Bye, everyone!